Okay, I tried making this video yesterday. Today, my camera just is not working. It's not the camera, it's the battery. And I have 3 spare batteries and none of them are working, and I think there's something about the charger because it's just not charging them properly, and even though I left them for the whole day, they're just empty. So I'm gonna go back to my old cell phone, and I know the quality is probably going to be but you know, bear with me until the next video. Hope I'm gonna fix everything. Yeah, that's a disclaimer. Okay, hi, thank you very much for being here. I am back. I am Moja Blue, and this is a channel mostly about Serbian language and Serbian culture. So today we're going to talk about Serbian grammar, and we're going to talk about pronouns. This video is going to be one of the first ones connected to some other videos, so we're going to build up slowly. And what I'm going to present to you today is just a very early beginner's level of Serbian. So let's go over some pronouns that you will need ASAP if you go to Serbia. Some of you may already know about personal pronouns. We call them lične zamenice in Serbian. So zamenice pronoun, personal lična, or lične, plural. And we're gonna go over them or repeat them today. So how do you say I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they? If you wanna say I, that is ja. You is ti. He is on. She is ona. It on. Pretty easy so far. Let's go over to plural. We is me, you is vi, but they, we have 3 types of they. Why? Because objects in Serbian can be feminine, masculine, and neuter. For that reason, we have 3 different types of plural for each gender. So for masculine, it will be oni, feminine, it will be one, and neuter, it will be ona. So now if you go back, it is ja, ti, on, ona, ono, mi, vi, oni, one, ona. There you go. Obviously, pronouns that are used for feminine and masculine gender can also be used for biological gender. So he, she as a person, right? Like a woman and a man. Okay, let's go over some other pronouns. We have question pronouns. So upitne zamenice. Who and what? Who is ko? And what is šta? Then if you want to say someone or something, you will say neko, someone, and nešto, something. We call them neodređene zamenice. What about no one and nothing? Odrične zamenice. No one is niko and nothing is ništa. I think you can see the pattern. So we have ko, neko, niko, šta, nešto, ništa. Very similar, right? It's gonna get easier. What if you want to say everyone, everything? Svako, svašta. Again, svako, everyone, and everything, svašta. Very easy. What if you want to say anyone, anything? Then you can say iko, išta. Iko, anyone, and išta, anything. As you can see, we're following a very similar pattern. So we have ko, neko, niko, svako, iko. This was a bit difficult. Then we have šta, nešto, ništa, svašta, išta. So this is for people and this is for things, right? And then the last one that I will cover is reflexive pronouns, or only one reflexive pronoun, which is se. Actually, the full form is sebe, but we usually use se, myself, or oneself. We call them povratne zamenice. So if you want to say I'm taking a shower, so basically I'm showering myself, in Serbian it will be tuširam se. If you want to say I'm combing my hair, then you can say češljam se. So basically we have many verbs that are reflexive, right? So this is something very common that you will hear. There you go. I hope this helped you. I hope this will make things a bit clearer. If you are already past this level, don't worry, things are gonna get more difficult in one of the next videos. So stay tuned, because this is a channel about Serbian mostly. I'm gonna say goodbye to you in Serbian. Nadam se ste uživali u ovom videu. Želim vam divan dan, divan vikend i vidimo se u sljedećem videu. Ćao!